So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Android Geek.
Major addiction.
Today I'm going to show you how you can be rewarded by just staying healthy and a little bit hard work. Before we get started, I want to mention that this application is the best suitable for long-term process. I will explain you why during the video. Many of you might have already used this application. If you didn't, then you should give it a try. It is 4 am right now, that is why my total step count is 0, but that's okay, we'll start jogging in half an hour. As you can clearly observe here, right now I am in level 2 and this app works in level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4 and level 5. So basically it has 5 levels. In each level you get certain amount of coins. These are the rules. You can check it out in your app. Right now I have passed level 1 already. I'll show you the level 2. This is level 2. You get minimum of 5 coins per day. This is level 3, 10 coins, level 4, 15 and level 5, 20. You will also get bonus of 5 coins for watching an ad. I think if you want to watch an ad you can watch, but you will get 5 extra coins. These are my total income. It is 331 coins. I'll tell you what are the coins in a while. If you go to the friends tab, you can also follow your friends in this app. It will show you how many steps they have made in the day. You can also check their total earnings. This is my friend Chandrasekhar. He have earned 3000 some coins. This is my earning, which is 300 earning. If you go to arena section, you will find few games which will reward you with good amount of coins for each task. You will get the challenge description. If you fail, you won't lose any coins, but if you win, you will get rewarded the amount of coins they provide. It is very easy. I have taken few challenges and I have passed them. Few of them are a flop, but most of them are easy. You have to walk 5 kilometers or 5000 steps, or you have to burn the certain amount of calories. It is very easy process. As you can see here how the coins are calculated. For 1000 outdoor steps you get 1 coin, and for 1000 indoor steps you get 1.25 coins. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, it is showing 1.25 for indoor. And this is the bazaar section of the app, which is the most exciting section. Here you can see so many list of products which you can buy with the in-game currency, which is SSG coins. You can see there are so many number of products like skincare, healthcare, beard care, jewelry and electronics, laptop skin, even flight tickets. बहुत सारा है. You can see this is a Leaf headphones. It is for 7000 coins, which is pretty high, but you can earn it within 3 months. There are Puma shoes. You get the 1000 off coupon for 500 coins, again which you can earn in 1 week. This is a gamepad which you can play PUBG, and these are the people who brought this item for SSG coins. And let's check more what are the products. And this is the iPhone XR, which costs around 50,000, but if you walk around 15,000 steps every day for at least 1 year, you will get this iPhone XR for free. Isn't it amazing? That is why I told you in the beginning, this app is exactly suitable for long-term fitness freaks. I don't even walk much, The time I come from college to home will cover the 10,000 steps easily. But the iPhone will take one year, minimum of 1 year. That is sad, but it's okay. And that is for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe the video. You know the drill. See you in the next video.